Well, still on day one of the Africa Climate Summit. Now, the summit was dominated by a rather contrasting image of what climate-friendly mobility should be. Even though the host president drove himself to the summit in an electric car, the presence of fuel guzzlers dominated the inaugural summit. Noah Kipkemboi with the details.
In a sign of goodwill and leading by example, President William Ruto embarked on a self-drive from State House to the Kenyatta International Convention Center in a yellow electric car. Thereafter, major arrivals made no effort to walk the talk in terms of reducing carbon emissions, with fuel combustible engine entourages arriving one after the other. Even though sights of electric cars remained rare, a small solar-powered car made an appearance, though the driver did not have accreditation to the event. The infamous electric bus plying Nairobi Central Business District made a drop, with some delegates alighting meters away from KICC. Passenger cars dominate carbon dioxide emissions produced by the transportation sector worldwide at 39%, followed by medium and heavy trucks, shipping and aviation. The least emissions from the sector comes from rail, standing at 3%. Now Kipkemboi, KTN News.
Well, is it all talk but no action? Well, it's only